Hey, I want to show you guys how to remove these emblems off a vehicle if you're going to get it decaled. I've got some, I use Power Pro. It's a braided fishing line, probably 50 or 80 pound test, really strong stuff. You're going to need something that can withstand some pulling. I've just got it tied to a couple of batteries. I mean, you could use a couple of sticks or whatever. You just need something that you won't cut this stuff into your fingers. It's pretty sharp, you know. You just place it behind the emblem and kind of use a sawing motion back and forth, and you can see it just pops them right off. You're cutting that adhesive bond. See, pops right off, no problem. The rest of this process here, I've got just a piece of paper towel folded over several times so it'll hold some of the chemical, and the chemical is this 3M general purpose adhesive cleaner. Just put some on there. You're trying to soak it into that adhesive that is left behind after you pull your emblems off. This is a auto body filler spreader, better known as Bondo spreader, and I'm not going to use the thin edge so much as I am this thicker edge back where your hand would normally be, because you need to have something that'll kind of push the bulk of that adhesive off of there, and just keep wetting the adhesive with the chemical and scraping. Scraping the adhesive off. In just a few minutes you'll have that black adhesive off of there, and then the any residue that's left over, you can remove it with just the paper towel and the chemical. It's not a real fast process, but it does work. And that's it.